I think as long the leadership is spearheaded by settlers, then settlements will prevail in our countries. I do not want to be living under Israeli rule to begin with, and I don't rely on the Israeli authorities, on the Israeli occupation forces to protect me. Although they are mandated to do so under international law, I think it's pointless for us to expect a person who is beating us up, assaulting us, terrorizing us, to be told to stop and then have them stop. It's not really an eviction, it's forced ethnic displacement, to be accurate, because an eviction implies legal authority. While the Israeli occupation has no legitimate jurisdiction over the eastern parts of occupied Jerusalem under international law, it also implies the presence of a landlord, and certainly these Israeli settlers have not built our homes, they're not our landlords, they don't own our land. And thirdly, eviction does not imply the hundreds and hundreds of heavily armed police and army and settlers colluding, blowing up your doors, throwing your children from your windows, and using brute force to throw you out in the street and assaulting and arrest you should you resist. It doesn't imply the grenades, it doesn't imply the rubber-coated bullets. The United States has waged more wars than there are Hamas members. I don't wait for the United States to tell me what constitutes as self-defense and what not constitutes as self-defense. That is not where my moral compass stems from. I don't think the United States is in position, giving all of the genocides and wars it's partaking in, to say something about who has a right to self-defense. What I know is that a military occupation that we're living in is excruciatingly violent. A siege that we're living under is excruciatingly violent, and that is the aggressor. That is the occupier. That's what started all. That's fundamentally what started the so-called conflict.
You are stealing my house.
And if I don't steal it, someone else is going to steal it.
No one is allowed to steal it, يا عمي.
Standing in my neighborhood at night and completely posted while they were dispersing violence